Once there was a very nice princess. Her name was Princess Grace. Hello, everyone. Oh, you're too nice. Yeah, Princess Grace, you're so nice. You're so nice. Oh, thank you. One day came along a very mean prince. Hey, you, get me some food. Excuse me, who are you? Well, I am Prince of Earth. You can't be Prince of Earth. I'm Princess. And you must be Prince. Well, I'm the Prince. So you, get me some food. Okay. Haha, I'm ordering the princess around. I got you a unicorn lolly. Yum, delish. Is that enough for you? Oh, of course that isn't. Oh well. I'll go grab some ice lollies. Delicious, delicious. Are you happy now? Oh, well, maybe not. I need some company. Oh, well, you have me. Not you, dirty rat. I need animals. All right. Whose idea was to get this dirty rat? Next. Too energetic. What is this creature? Oh, well, I can't really find any animals for me, so maybe I'll just stick with you. Oh, well, I kind of have like a whole, kingdom to run. So anyways, oh well, I'm not leaving here. You can make me your guest. Oh, okay. Well, I've got rooms and blah, 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 blah. Oh, well, it seems as though I don't really want to stay here, but I kind of have to because my father said so. Wait, who's your father? King Doodoo Head? I said leave! Oh, well, King Doodoo Head was my enemy, So, yeah. Well, now I can enjoy my time alone. Yay! Yes, queen. Oh, thank you. You guys are too nice. I'm just taking care of my kingdom. Anyways,